listeners, did you hear that we have a new Krazy Krafter Box available?
And it's spring edition, which means it's bright, cheerful, and all new projects.
That's right, so we're making 4 projects together on March 7th from 10 a.m. to about 2:30 p.m. Pacific time. It's going to be a day full of fun crafting.
Absolutely, I can hardly wait. So you get Jackie and you get Kara for that whole time at Krazy Kreations. And I can hardly wait to go through what's in our box.
The first project we'll be making together on March 7th is this really cute box of cards featuring our Hello Nomi outline sticker.
Yes, they come in a gift box, which you can make 4 cards, and it'll have 4 envelopes. And what a beautiful presentation to give somebody.
So we'll teach you how to do all this blending and shading, and then we also get to decorate the outside of that really cute card box because there's acetate, and our outline stickers stick to acetate as well as glitter paper and other mediums.
And we have lots of fun little tricks up our sleeve to teach you little tips and techniques along the way.
The second project we'll be making together features this really cute polka dot gift bag, and then we'll be making the gift tag and this gorgeous 3D flower together.
Again, the colors of this are stunning with our wonderful color theme of purple, red, and green. This is just sure to delight anybody as a gift. Now we will include 2 of these to be made in your kit.
And as a little bonus, we'll be showing you techniques for both of these elements on this project, but you'll notice we have a little strawberry on this tag, and that is something creative that we came up with using one of our separate outline stickers.
Yes, so you're sure to learn new things. Again, lots of tips, techniques, and secret finds.
For our third project, we're featuring this paper doll Slimline card, and it's using one of our paper doll outline stickers, chipboard shapes, and some elements to create a really fun spring scene.
Yes, with the new Slimline craze, what a perfect way to use our paper doll collection. And this one, called Best Day, is one of our customer favorites.
So we're going to be making a Slimline, which I believe is 8.5 by 3.5 inches. For the card, and decorating it together, and you're going to be learning how to paper piece and create this really cute, stunning card that you can use as a card to give to somebody, or you can display it as a piece of home decor.
Yes, and the best part about Slimline is they fit in a A10 envelope and there's no extra postage.
The final project we'll be making together is these adorable acrylic luggage tags.
Yes, these tags are made out of a custom acrylic shape here, made at Krazy Kreations, and it will feature how to use our outline stickers as a cling that will stick to this acrylic block, as well as decorating with our outline words and bling. And then for the second project, we're showing you how to use the negative, which are the pieces that were left behind, to make a beautiful black and white tag.
So not only is this sample a cling, it's actually a glitter cling that you can stick to a window. In this case, we'll be doing it on an acrylic tag. These are perfect for your luggage tags or to give as a gift with a nice present, and it's just adorable. Not only are you going to be making 4 projects with us, Crazy Ladies, on March 7th, but we also have some extra goodies for you included in this box.
Yes, included will be a gift card to our online store at crazycreations.us in the amount of $10, so you can go shopping as you find some new favorites.
And then we're also going to include a mystery bag of some outline stickers for you to play with at a value of approximately $10. So you're getting $20 in free goodies with this Krazy Krafter Box.
And let's not forget that the box includes free shipping, so there's no additional shipping charge as you order your Krazy Krafter Box Spring Edition.
When you order your Krazy Krafter Box, you're getting 4 project kits, and all you'll need is a basic toolkit and some alcohol markers to complete these projects with us. So your basic toolkit, you'll need some scissors, adhesive, tweezers,
a paper trimmer, and of course, for the alcohol ink markers, you're going to want our Write Art 24 set, as all the colors we're using can be found in those 24 colors. If you're not sure of the colors, we do have a chart on our website, which is at crazycreations.us under Ideas and Resources.
We can't wait to make all of these beautiful projects that we featured in the Krazy Krafters Box with you on March 7th.
Remember, this is the spring edition, and it is full of delightful colors, projects, and so much fun. So we look forward to March 7th, but don't forget, if you can't meet on March 7th, you can replay this video at any time of your convenience.
Now this box is on sale now for pre-order, and it will be shipping on February 23rd. We're expecting to sell out, so don't hesitate if you want to join us again on March 7th.
We are so looking forward to that date, and I hope you are too.
See you there!